What up? It's me, Studley. Hope you enjoy watching my special show. Shrek. Oh, hey. What's up? I haven't seen you in a while. Shrek. Okay, what do you want to talk about? Shrek. 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 I see. Okay. Well, you see, my mom once told me, Studley, if you ever go there, whatever you're doing, you're grounded. Shrek. I guess you had to be there. Shrek. 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 Okay, I have no idea what you said, but I'll take it. Shrek. Shrek? Hey, I don't go for that sort of thing, okay? You're just a cute bird. Like I said, it reminds me of my college friend. Shrek. Yes, that's what I said. Like I said, you had to be there. Shrek. Hey, did you just punch my beak? Shrek? Okay, listen here. I told one of my friends this. Nobody hits my beak. I told everyone not to hit my beak. And that goes for you too, okay? Shrek. Thank you. Now, I really should have told you about my relationship with my mom. Funny story. This goes way back. Again, you had to be there. My friends and I, and William Campbell, well, he's someone I know. So long ago. Oh yeah. Because you should have seen the times I've had with him.
Oh my nuts! Get off my stage! We're gonna use the ball. But you know what? You're being. Do your best. Oh. Oh. Probably just gonna send an empty threat. Get him, boys! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I'm scared of heights! What kind of bird is afraid of heights? This kind!
Oh man, please. Get your fat beak out of my face. What? I went blind, Studley. From looking at your stupid light. Your stupid light like you and your stupid, fat, ugly friends. Go party somewhere else. Somewhere you belong, like in a bird's nest. You don't even want to know what happened last time I was in a bird's nest. Coming soon. What? The branch broke? Your fatness broke it?
Thanks for breaking that fall, old man. I could have got seriously hurt.
You think this light is going to cost a lot on the hydro because it's plugged into your wall? What? I feel kind of blah, blah, blah. Beep, 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 beep. Somebody's foot in the background. Really? Studley, did you come back to save me? No, I came for your wheelchair. Studley. No, wait. Who are you? Who are you? Hey, where'd my fruit cocktail go? Sorry, don't have time, old man. Gotta go find out what this remote does. Old man, go cut the cheese somewhere else. No! Oh, Stop. What do you want, Studley? The lights are already on. Oh, is that what that is? Could be. Oh my god. You broke my china? You people just have stuff against flushing, don't you? That's impossible. You can't party till you're purple. Oh hold on. You're not a big bird. That's already copyrighted by Sesame Street. These guys topple over me. How'd you get in here? You know, look at it. Look how bright it is. I went blind! I'm blind.
Are you some kind of historian or something on light or on being purple?
No, but I do know that you can't change colors.
It's a, what do you call that? It's like a little,
A metaphor.
a metaphor. Oh man, please.
What do you want, Studley?
Oh man, please.
What?
Oh man.
What?
Oh man.
What? Did you bring me back anything? Yeah, I brought you back the souvenir. What is it, a globe of Stupidville? How'd you know?
He can sit right in the middle of us and listen.
No, no, please.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. That was loud. Oh man. Stop.
What?
You know
You're worse than Studley. You know what? You know what? Screw you guys. I'm going to play Pac-Man.
Good night, 2 kids. Good night, old man. Good night, everyone.
And that's one of my favorite moments I remember. Oh boy, good times. Anyway, tell me about yours. Schwack. Oh, I remember that too. First time we first met. The best. Schwack. No, you cannot touch my beak. I told you that. That's it. Oh no, what have I done? Shrek. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Alright, fine, you can touch my beak. That was soft. I'll take it. No, I can't stay mad at you. Get over here. Oh, sorry. Shrek. You want to go for a flight? Okay. You lead the way. Shrek. Well, I'm gonna get going. See you next time. Whee!